Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the motherboard on a Dell Latitude 5290. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws to loosen and then pry apart bottom base. Next, unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Next, disconnect speaker and keyboard cables. Now unscrew and remove chassis frame. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Then unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect display cable. Now disconnect motherboard cable. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now unscrew and turn over motherboard. Then disconnect and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.